So I started off as a graphic designer, and as I was working through that, I realized that I didn't really like sitting in front of a computer. So when I was working through that, I did a logo for an airplane pilot. And as I was doing that, I got introduced to airplane mechanicking, and as I was working through that, I got laid off. So I ended up seeing the job posting for automotive technician, and I kind of thought those things went hand in hand. So I applied and I got accepted. And then as I was working through that, I realized that I actually really enjoyed it. The most interesting thing I've learned so far is probably taking an engine out of a vehicle and seeing what really goes on behind the engine and how it is engaged with the transmission and everything like that. You go from a 2010 vehicle to a 2021, and they're completely different, but they're only really 10 years apart, and it's quite interesting. I've always enjoyed taking things apart and working with my hands and just seeing how stuff works. Being able to take apart an engine and just kind of see the inner workings of it is really interesting to me and keeps me motivated. Being able to constantly learn something new. I know people that have worked in the industry for 30 plus years and they're still learning something new, and that's what I really enjoy about it.